Nice. Doing a quick before and after video on my 22 Subaru Outback Wilderness. Got the AWE catback exhaust. They were nice enough to give me this lollipop. Very nice. All right, we're gonna see what it sounds like stock first. All right, just finished the install, quick and easy. All right, so we got the finished product right here. AWE with the bash guards, pretty cool. Line all the way down, pretty clean, pretty good install, nice little details, good metal. Made in the US of A. Very nice.